Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today, learn about how much YouTube will pay for celebrity gossip and entertainment YouTube channels. In today's example, we have Scoop of Gossip, and they have about 17,000 subscribers, and these are some pretty quality videos, 8 to 10 minutes long. It is currently April 2024, and here are the stats for the last few months. It's been trending downwards since January for this particular channel, making a high of $468 in January. Now we'll head over to Social Blade and do a quick little spy on the stats for the previous months. So here in the video views, back in January it got about 250,000 views for that month of January, and in that month this channel made $468. So on average you're going to be looking at between $1.50 to about $2 per thousand views, more or less, for a celebrity gossip or entertainment channel. Alright, I hope this gave you some ideas about the celebrity channel niche. Alright, thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube earning updates. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.